everyone, and welcome to my do-it-yourself AC bypass. Now, what do I mean by AC bypass? So for many who lives in Florida, where our AC unit is in constant operation because of the humidity and the heat here, so it constantly requires maintenance. And one of the maintenance that is offered is the PVC pipe that I'm going to show you. Basically goes from the inside of the unit of the AC. There's a pan inside the unit, and when the water condensates and the water falls into that pan, it goes into the exterior side and basically drains not into that container, because I had to find a bypass, but basically it goes into that PVC pipe. That PVC pipe goes all the way down and it goes under the house, which unfortunately for us is very, very hard to be able to do regular maintenance. You have to come and bring a professional. They have to snake it, but unfortunately the house is way too long and the pipe is way too long. So unfortunately it will need close to 150 feet snake to be able to go and clear the whole PVC pipe. So some of the plumbers suggested to basically bypass it, but they charge $1,500 for this. So what we decided to do is I looked at the environment, and thank God that right here, as you can notice, there's actually the washer and dryer. Now this washer and dryer, obviously there's actually a pipe that goes into that hole, and this is where the washer water drains after a cycle. Now, what I was able to do is, which I'm going to do, is create a bypass. So as you can see along that wall, I will put a PVC pipe that will go around the AC and will connect to that hose. So this way, we're gonna create a 45-degree angle, so the water can actually fall in an angle and then drain on that side here. Now many homes as well, the AC unit is in the roof of the house, so that's not applicable to you. But those who have AC units that are adjacent to a washer, you can use the hole of the washer right there to be able to bring the pipe so it drains. So instead of digging a hole inside the cinder blocks, you could directly use the hole from the washer, and that's going to save a tremendous amount of money. I don't need to destroy the structure of the house by digging a hole to be able to put the PVC pipe there. So that will be the best option, the most economical option, and obviously the one that will provide a more permanent solution to the problem. So instead of having a company that comes every single month to be able to drain or to be able to create a pressurized, I would say, approach to cleaning the pipes, I'm going to be able to bypass it, and this is going to be the best solution possible, which, as you can see right now, this is only a temporary solution where we put actually a container to be able to accumulate the water, because if it was not for this, the whole floor of the garage would have been completely filled with water. So I will keep you updated, and you will see the end result sometime soon. Hello everyone, and welcome to part 2. So I just got back from home. I purchased everything that is needed for this project. So these are two 10-foot 3 by 3¼ inches PVC pipe, and also all the different couplers, the 90-degree angle, the 45-degree angle, and the hose that's going to go directly to the washing machine trap for the water to evacuate from the pan. So I'm going to get ready to be able to assemble all of that. It should be a fun project, so we'll see you for part 3. Hello everyone, and welcome to part 3 of this project for the AC bypass. So here's what I did, and this is the final result, as you can see right here. So as you can see right here, the pipe that was originally connected to this one that went under the house, I went over, I bypassed it, and we go, it goes around the vents, it goes all the way in a corner like that. I put brackets and all the way here, and then the pipe is connected at the end on the 45-degree connector, and it goes down directly to the hole where the washing dispenser go. So this is what I did. I accomplished this in around 2 hours, and it cost me $14 in PVC pipes and materials that I bought at Lowe's. And that's the end of the project. So enjoyed it. Please subscribe, as I'm going to continue doing more projects of that sort to be able to save money, save time, and obviously learn more through the process. Thank you, and see you soon.